Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but all of the downloads in a Google Play Store are stuck on a pending on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store and here try to install something. And as you can see, it's in the pending and it won't begin the actual download. And to fix this, go back to the home screen of your phone and enter the settings. Now scroll all the way down and find General Management, enter date and time. Right here, make sure that you're using automatic date and time settings. Now go back to the Google Play Store and here try to install the same game and it should begin just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.